How to connect to Wi-Fi on your Apple phone. From the home screen, go to Settings and select Wi-Fi. Enable Wi-Fi, and once it is enabled, your phone will automatically search for available Wi-Fi networks in range. These Wi-Fi networks can further be secured or open. That is, one which requires a password key to allow a connection, or one where a password is not required. The password is available with the owner of the Wi-Fi network. All secure Wi-Fi networks appear with a small lock icon, and if the lock icon is not present, it means that anyone can connect to the network. However, on an open network, people might be able to see what data you're transmitting. Once you click on the network you want to join, if it is a secured network, it will prompt you to enter the password. Enter the password and hit Join. Your phone will be connected to the network. The Wi-Fi connected icon at the top of your screen is an indication of that. Once your phone is on Wi-Fi, it will automatically stop using your mobile internet service. However, if you go out of range of the Wi-Fi network, your phone will automatically go back to your mobile internet service. The password and network information of the connected network will be stored on your phone, and so the next time this network is available and your Wi-Fi option is switched on, it will automatically connect to this Wi-Fi network. For more videos on Idea Video Assist, please subscribe to the Idea Cellular Limited channel.